Hi there. In 2019, we are celebrating 15 years in business. Wow. One of the fun things we are doing is having a monthly contest to give away a free video chat. So if you're the winner, you can talk about specific pain points that you're experiencing with respect to organizing, or you can move about your home by video and we'll troubleshoot some of your challenging spots. We are flexible and can approach the hour that we have together in whatever way works for you.
Just fill in your name and email in the form below and you'll be entered. After you enter, you'll also get the chance to have extra entries by sharing the contest on social media. Remember, for us, caring is sharing. So please know that we really appreciate you sharing us with others and getting the word out about the services we offer. Let us be your success partners as you get to the heart of the matter.